We'll guide you through how to set text variable in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Secondly, to set text variable in Figma, get Figma open on your computer and load into the project file you want to edit from your dashboard. After the file loads, press Escape on your keyboard to make sure nothing on the canvas is selected before you begin. Next, move over to the right-hand panel and scroll down until you find the section labeled Variables. Click the small slider-style icon next to it to open the Variables panel in the center of your screen. Inside the panel, you will see a message saying no variables have been created yet, along with a blue Create button. Click the Create button to start making your first variable. A drop-down menu will appear with 4 options including color, number, string, and boolean. Choose the type you want to create. For this example, select number for something like a font size or spacing value. A new row will appear with the name field already highlighted. Type a simple name like font or spacing, then press Tab to move into the value column. Type your value, such as 16 for a 16-pixel font size, then press Enter to save it. If you want to create more variables, click the plus icon inside the panel and repeat the same process for each one. Once you are done, click the X button at the top right corner of the Variables panel to close it and return to your canvas. Now select the layer you want to connect to a variable, such as a text layer. In the right-hand Properties panel, locate the property you want to link, like the font size field. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the value. Then choose Apply Variable from the menu that appears. A list of your variables will open on screen. Click the variable you want to apply to the selected property. The field will now display the variable value, confirming the connection is active and working correctly. Finally, press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac to save your project and lock in your progress.